Hi, and welcome back. I thought it would be fun to create a landscape canvas masterpiece, and I'll be using some warm colors and some cool colors as shown right here. My canvas is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I'll be filling up two 8-ounce cups of paint, one with the warm colors and one with the cool colors. I will link the supplies I am using in the description box below. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know if you've done a technique similar to this. Now that the cups are filled, let's have fun with painting. I am pouring my paint on the elevated side of the canvas using the tree ring technique. As I pour, the paint will slide down to the lower end of the canvas. I am going to fill the edges and the corners with some paint just to help the process along and to make sure these areas get covered. I do have a lot of paint on the canvas. This is going to be fun. Now that my canvas is covered, I'm going to pick it up and just start tilting. This video is sped up. I am tilting a lot slower than what this is showing. I am loving how this is turning out with the bright, cool colors up top and the warm colors on the bottom. But that middle purple area is a little peculiar. This is almost starting to look like a geode. At this point, I wanted to do something else with that middle area, so I thought I would try rainbow lines going down the middle. I just grabbed some of my leftover paint, pinched the Dixie cup to make a fine spout, and just lightly poured some colors in there. I'm adding a little heat just to pop any air bubbles, and then I'm going to grab my hairdryer and start pushing this rainbow stripe around to see what effects it creates. I am loving the extra color that has been added, and I'm thinking this is looking pretty cool as a landscape. I'll turn the image around just as soon as I'm done in a moment. Let me know in the comment box what you think. I'll see you in the next video.